Hi, welcome back to Best Drink Recipes. I'm Eli Mountjoy, and now we are going to make the Kentucky Mule. Basically what differentiates this from the other mule drinks is that we're going to use Kentucky bourbon, hence the Kentucky Mule. Again, we could be using different glassware, like a typical mug made of copper or tin, but we're going to use this Collins glass all the same. We're going to put in 3 ounces of Kentucky bourbon, half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime, and top it with ginger beer. And then we're going to garnish with this beautiful stem here of mint. So first with the 3 ounces of Kentucky bourbon, followed by half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime, and let's top it with our ginger beer. Beautiful. Garnish it, get the straw in there, and here we have the beautiful Kentucky Mule. Looks good. You can have it. And thank you for watching Best Drink Recipes. See you next one.